Raph's first trip to Gumbo Limbo. That's so weird you haven't seen the tortoises. Welcome back to another episode of Tashi Talks. Today we're super excited to share one of our favorite family places, Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. We've been taking Tashi here since she was 2 years old, and her love for this place remains as strong as ever. One of the first highlights is always the Turtle Garden, built in honor of Gordon J. Gilbert, who was a director and founder of Gumbo Limbo. And in the mid-70s, he led the first ever turtle walk to educate the community on the turtles' distressing situation. The Turtle Garden also makes a great photo op. Gumbo Limbo's mission is to protect and preserve the coastal ecosystems and inspire the community. For over 20 years, their Hatchling Drop Off box was recognized and approved by Florida Fish and Wildlife.
Welcome to Gumbo Limbo.
When you first walk in, you are greeted by their amazing staff.
I'm sorry, what was it? A
cherry-head tortoise.
Okay. Whitney to Susan? Whitney to Susan?
We brought Raphael with us to see if they could tell us what Raphael's gender was, because we have absolutely no idea if he's a boy or if he's a girl.
So if his belly goes inward, he might be a boy, but he's still a little bit young to tell what he is.
Little box over here. This young lady has a cherry head tortoise.
Oh, how cute.
And it doesn't seem to like its tail.
Okay, try romaine.
Romaine? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we haven't tried, I don't think we haven't tried romaine.
Yeah, we'll go grab on the way home. We'll grab romaine.
Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. See? It already is paying off.
So what happens with these guys, the way you can tell a male from a female with the tortoises, is the underside of the female gets this kind of a shape to it. I'm sorry, the underside of the male rather gets this kind of a shape to it.
Okay.
So that when the time comes,
Oh, they can
he
just...
fits.
He fits. On the shell.
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Okay.
So I don't know how that one is. You know, if you can tell anything.
I don't.
mean,
he
it's
definitely doesn't.
probably very flat.
Yeah, it's just flat. Yeah.
Yep. So you may have to wait a little while to find out. So did you name it yet? Yeah. What'd you name it?
Raphael.
Okay. Well, so that could go either way.
Yeah.
That's good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
We were like, oh, it could be Raphael, Rafaela, or just Raph. We've been calling it Raph. So we still don't know Raph's gender, but you know, while we're here, why not take a look around? Oh wow! Look how big that thing is. Chow time.
They eat
He's cute.
plums and berries.
He's really cute. Look at that guy.
Apples.
Definitely know he likes apples. Raph likes apples too.
I didn't know
How cute is this guy?
others like apples.
Wow, he's challenged. So romaine, huh?
Romaine. You can meet.
Mwah.
I want to go see the eel.
The eel? Let's do it. During the tour at Gumbo Limbo, you'll discover fascinating educational facts about the ecosystems and learn about the vital role that sea turtles play in the marine health. Also, you'll learn about the importance of mangroves and the coastal protection and the diverse wildlife that inhabits our shores. Each stop highlights conservation efforts that we all can do to preserve these precious environments.
And they don't have redheads.
No, they don't have redheads.
So that means they both have redheads.
Yeah, Raph is very special.
Sea turtles on the right, fish on the right.
Yep. And seahorses.
on the left.
Yeah. So we're going the fish route. The fish and the sea turtles, huh? Let's come on. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh.
There's more turtles.
They have a lot today.
Beautiful.
Wow. What kind is that one? That's a green
Look, it's a rescue day.
August. Oh, literally like August 10th. Stranded with some sort of disease. Aww. How cute. So the lady back there is treating them, I think. She's the one to ask about the babies.
We have 8 or 7 camps that came and they don't have names right now. They're getting them soon.
The Coastal Stewards organization plays a crucial role in protecting sea turtles and marine life along our coastlines. They engage in vital conservation efforts, including habitat restoration, educational outreach, and monitoring nesting sites. The rehabilitation programs provide care for injured sea turtles, helping them return to the wild. Partnering with Gumbo Limbo enhances these initiatives, fostering awareness and inspiring action for a thriving marine ecosystem. How did you guys get all the hatchlings?
So a lot of them come in just from they're tired or if, first hurricane with the currents. So they'll get washed back in. People find them on the beach all the time. They bring them to us. These guys are also from other facilities up north and we all release them together.
Oh, okay.
They're all ready to go. They'll go about 7 to 10 miles offshore. So we take them out by boat. We'll find big sargassum patches, that seaweed that floats out. So they live in that for the first 3 years of their life.
Okay, to protect them.
And when they hatch out, they go right to that and they live out there. So we'll release them right back out there. Like I said, usually at least 7 to 10 miles offshore. And then, so they'll all go release together. So that sargassum really protects them from sharks, it protects them from birds, and it also helps with their feeding ground because all the food particles get stuck in it.
Okay.
Just another thing to consider about that is when you guys see sargassum wash up on the beaches, if you've ever seen it come up on the beach, what's stuck in that? Garbage and trash and plastic. So we usually say 99% of these hatchlings that come in do have microplastics inside of them. We do see that.
This Coastal Stewards representative shared how they remove plastics from sea turtle stomachs, highlighting the importance of keeping our beaches clean to prevent this issue. She encouraged everyone to participate in beach cleanups as a meaningful way to get involved and protect the marine life. What do you think?
Wow, is that your little tortoise? He's very cute. What's his name? Or her name?
Raphael.
What is it?
Raphael.
Raphael. Oh, I love it. I love it. She'll need a little red, with that red band-aid or something.
Yeah, we brought him to see if we could find out this gender, but he's too young.
Too young?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe soon. Anyways, if it's a little bit older.
The cherry.
Oh, I love it. Those guys are great. Tortoises are amazing.
He's been fun.
They're gonna get big.
They close their bottom flippers when they swim.
Sometimes they do.
I saw that one did.
So Layla's a good example of this. So Layla had an old boat strike injury to the top of her shell, and that sometimes causes damage to her flippers. So her rear flippers do have minimal movement, but as you can see, she'll actually, we call that a clasper reflex, where they'll clasp their rear flippers together. And so it does show that she has some movement, but a lot of times it is a lot of reflex, where they'll actually like in it that way.
Interesting.
Yeah. As you can see, she came in with a really bad buoyancy issue, but a lot of times that's GI. And so now that she's at the bottom of the tank, where she's swimming normally,
Yeah,
she
she's
will be
chilling.
releasable, which is a really good news for us.
Yeah.
We like them. We try to get them out, and when we can. And the fact that she's swimming, she's eating her food, she will always have issues probably for the rest of her life, and we don't know what that looks like because as they grow, their shell, and so we do what we can as long as they're, like I said, as long as they're finding their food and swimming, we release them back out. We give them a chance. So she's a great example of something that we were, really excited to see for her.
Yeah, for sure. So cute. Oh wow. Wow.
Did you get it here? Did you bring them with you? That's awesome. Hey, Raphael, you guys see the turtle?
At Gumbo Limbo, the shipwreck aquarium is home to 2 of the 3 resident sea turtles, Lady McNubbins and Morgan. Lady McNubbins is a spirited and curious little turtle and loves to explore, while Morgan, with her graceful movements, captivates the visitors with her gentle demeanor. In the Coral Reef Aquarium, vibrant fish swim among the corals. You can also catch daily fish feedings at 12:30 every day, where you can see the excitement unfold. And if you're lucky, you might be able to catch a glimpse of the green moray eel when he's not feeling shy. Did you find the eel yet, Tosh?
He's sleeping.
He's sleeping?
I checked both of them. He's sleeping.
Oh yeah, he's normally right there. The moray eel. Meet Mortimer, Gumbo Limbo's impressive green moray eel. Stretching about 6 feet long, Mortimer is known for his shy demeanor, but on feeding days, which is usually Friday, he's upfront and personal. You can't miss him. Aww.
Mom, it's getting colder. Oh, I see where that one hurt himself. He had
Wow.
scratches. Look, Mom.
Oh, look at that one.
Mom, it's getting colder.
Ooh, it is getting a little fresh. Where to next, the seahorses? This way. The FAU Marine Science Laboratory's faculty and students study marine organisms such as the sea turtle hatchlings, sharks, rays, and marine plants to see how they interact with their environment. Today, the Marine Lab hosts the work of 6 principal investigators who give students the opportunity to participate in ongoing research. Tashi, look. You see the starfish over there? The visitors gallery has signage and text about previous and ongoing research projects, and offers guests a bird's eye view of the research facility. Not to mention getting to see some seahorses up close.
What a cool.
I know, right? You see him?
Oh, yeah.
It blends in with his environment. And from the visitors gallery that's open to the public, sea turtle hatchlings can be seen during the summer and fall months. From here, you can also interact with professors and students who are working in the lab. These hardworking students maintain the lab year-round. During our trip, we learned that sea turtles takes 20 years to discover what their gender is. So the research lab has a procedure that they do to find out what the gender is for these sea turtles. Now where to? One of the final stops on Gumbo Limbo's tour is the Butterfly Garden, which offers a vibrant oasis dedicated to the beauty and the conservation of the butterflies and other pollinators. Lead the way. Whoa. Find the path. We got the path. Butterfly.
The trail goes down there. Mom, you see it?
I do see. Are we going the right way?
Yep.
Yeah? We ready?
Yep. Oh, Spider-Man over there.
Stepping into the garden, you're greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors from various butterfly species fluttering among the native plants. This garden not only enchants visitors, but also plays a vital role in supporting our local ecosystem by providing habitats and food sources for butterflies at all life stages, from eggs to caterpillar to adults. And no butterflies today. Maybe because it's so wet. There's a butterfly. Here you can observe their fascinating life cycle up close, with educational displays explaining their transformations. Any more butterflies? Oh. Look for iconic monarchs, elegant swallowtails, and a quick skipper, I think is what it's called, all drawn to the nectar of the rich flowers. The garden is meticulously designed to attract these pollinators, featuring a mix of native plants that bloom year-round, ensuring that there's always something in bloom. Look at that one. Oh, yay!
Where are we going?
And what's a trip without visiting the gift shop? The final stop, of course, is the Gumbo Limbo gift shop, run by coastal stewards to support their conservation efforts. Here you'll find a variety of unique gifts, from educational books and eco-friendly products to local art and souvenirs. Every purchase you make directly contributes to funding programs that protect our coastal ecosystem and marine life. Not only do you take home a special memento, but you also play a part in supporting a good cause. Oh, look, Morgan has her own cup. Oh, that's cool. Gumbo Limbo is such a magical spot for both kids and adults. The mission of Gumbo Limbo is so important. They're dedicated to educating the public about the conservation efforts to preserve our coastal environment. Their work helps ensure that the future generations can enjoy and learn about these amazing ecosystems. It's a powerful reminder of our responsibility to protect these creatures and their habitats.
I picked the perfect shell.
You did. Look, let me see. How cute.
It's a
And it can. Are you gonna put that in Raph's cage too?
Yeah.
Raph definitely was the star of the show today. So naturally, he was super hungry when we got back home. All right.
Can I see your camera?
Aw.
That's very cute.
I know, isn't he pretty? That's called a cherry head. Every time we visit, we leave with new knowledge and a deeper appreciation for the ocean and its wildlife.
Tortoise, wow.
A cherry head. It's experiences like these that shape Tashi's understanding of the environment and the importance of conservation. Cherry head.
They last a really long time.
Like 50. Thanks for joining us on this episode of Tashi Talks. We hope you enjoyed exploring Gumbo Limbo with us and learning about its amazing environmental initiatives. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures, and if you want to get involved, check out the links for Gumbo Limbo and Coastal Stewards in the description below for more information on how you can help make a difference.